So Ethereum was supposed to kill Wall Street, right? Yeah, about that. Turned out Ethereum basically is Wall Street now, except instead of doing such, it's Discord mod with anime profile pics and a weapon of choice on restaking. It's taking but on steroid and else and probably bad shots. Okay, so let's back up. Normal staking is simple. You lock your ETH, you get some yield. You feel like Warren Buffett because you just earn 5% doing nothing. And that's cool. But then EigenLayer shows up and goes, yo, what if you stake your staked ETH? Then everyone was like, wait, what? That a thing. And the EigenLayer was like, yes, bro, it free yield, something to add about it. So no, your ETH ain't just securing Ethereum. Nah. It's securing random rollup, new chain, DeFi app, basically anything that says, please, can I borrow your security? And that's because this is crypto. People didn't stop here. They started tokenizing those with the ETH position and then staking those and then restaking those. It's like ETH inception, stake inside a stake inside a stake. The Leonardo DiCaprio of finance. And this is where things start looking familiar because Wall Street already played this game. It called rehypothecation. Fancy word for we use the same collateral until it breaks. That literally what caused 2008 crash, except this time it's not bankers in New York. It's a 23 years old virgin named Crypto Lord 6 time typing in we are so back on Twitter. At this point, I didn't isn't on the network anymore. It's a casino. You're not holding ETH, you're holding. Then I don't even know, like YOLO ETH. Each one promises slightly more yield until the whole tower fall over. It's financial jargon and you are praying nobody sneeze. But here is the thing. People actually love it because the yield are insane. Billion have already poured in. If it actually work, Ethereum don't just win actually. It become the backbone of global finance, like the actual replacement for Wall Street. But if it fails, well, congrats. We just begun 2008 on the blockchain. So yeah, Ethereum didn't mean to become Wall Street, but with restaking, it literally playing the same game. Collateral staked on collateral, leverage on leverage, until the system either explode or takes over the world. But the question is, are you early to the future of money or early to the biggest workflow in history? Please like and subscribe or I will restake your router into a liquidated code by Fahim.